Okay. And after that, they ask the colleague, any idea which medications are given by this route? This is also covering your data gathering part. When you are talking about these things, then it is also covering your data gathering part. Okay. Any idea which medications are given by this route? So heparin is given, insulin is given, some jabs are also given, and then you will tell him about the site of subcutaneous injection. I think instead of talking about intramuscular injection, and that was okay. I will not say that it's wrong, but it will be a little bit off the topic. So it's better to stay on the topic because you have to talk about a lot of things related to your topic. So you have to tell him site of the subcutaneous injection. So I have added this figure as well. Here you can see the side. Mostly we choose abdomen and but avoid belly button. I think we need to avoid at least 1 to 2 inches from the belly button, and then upper outer quadrant of arm and thigh, and in the upper buttock we can give these injections. And also, if patient is already receiving these kind of injection, then it is better to keep rotating the sites. You can tell this point here as well. And then one more thing is that here, when you will ask this question, why we use heparin? Any idea? Why? Because your task was to talk about heparin subcutaneous injection. So you can ask him, do any idea why we use heparin? So he will say yes or no. Then tell him that we dissolve the already present clot, or also as a part of prophylaxis against DVT and pulmonary embolism, in which clots are formed in the leg and lungs. So here you can cover your management part, Dr. Mubin.
Okay, all right.
You can ask him, any idea what happens if someone is coming with us a clot, say the clot is in the leg, then you can cover a brief management. You don't have to talk a lot. You just you will be talking about imaging to confirm that clot, and then involving your senior. Because of this clot, he might be having pain, so relieve the pain. These kind of things, just general one line cover the management.
Okay.
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 And after that, when you are talking about injection, because in this station you need to perform the injection as well, you need to do it. So there will be a dummy in the exam, and you can actually pinch the skin at the, I think at the tummy, and then you have to give the injection over there. So now let's do the data gathering part. Before giving the injection, I'm telling this to you, like if you are my colleague. And John, before giving the injection, you need to talk to the patient to gather some data. You need to know what specific sign and symptoms he is having right now. If he is having any blood clot, like if he is having let's say blood clot, then we will be asking him about the onset, progression. We will be elaborating it properly. We will gather some past medical history, because there are some risk factor of blood clots. We will cover some lifestyle, travel history, and after that we will investigate it further. And once the diagnosis is confirmed, we will start him on heparin. Heparin is a part of management of blood clot. In this way, you are covering both data gathering and management by telling a short story to your colleague.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So after that, you will talk about the contraindications, allergic status to the heparin, similarly pain at the infection site, some blood disorders. So you will tell the colleague that you need to ask this, because these are the contraindication of this injection, and then move to the injection part. Like we have already done examination, tummy examination and testicular examination. In those examination, we talk about the explanation of the procedure and exposure, position, pain, chaperone, consent. These things you will talk in one line. Tell your colleague that you have to do, and you have to explain, you have to expose the patient, you need to tell him about the chaperone to ensure his privacy, you have to confirm that he is not in any pain, and you have to gain the consent to perform the procedure. And also here you can add one more thing, like in the other injections like IV cannula, uh, ask about any preferred site for this injection. All right.
Okay, Petri.
And after that, talk about expiry date of injection before giving the injection or before using EpiPen. When you are using these kind of things, before using urine dipstick, this thing you can add, like checking the expiry of that injection. After that, you will prepare your tray, explain the steps of procedure to your colleague, and you will perform side by side. You will not explain first and perform later on. You will do side by side. Prepare your tray and perform the procedure, and side by side keep telling these things to your colleague. You have to make your reflexes.
Okay, okay.
And after you are done with the procedure, you need to tell about the warning signs to the patient. You will tell that to your colleague that after doing the procedure, you will document the procedure and medication in patient's note, and you will be telling the warning signs to the patient, specifically the pain and soreness or hematoma, local irritation, anaphylaxis. If any of these things are happening, then call 999. And in this figure, you can see that the proper technique of subcutaneous injection, how we will pinch. When we are pinching at the proper side, then obviously there is very little chance to get the muscle layer. But still, if your pinching technique is proper, then you will not get any muscle layer. You can look at the picture and you can imagine, or you can try on your hand to pinch in a way that you only get the subcutaneous fat up till you don't reach the muscles. Okay, and that's the last slide I already covered. Any questions so far?
Yes, Dr. Kuratul. And in warfarin, INR is the monitoring investigation. Do we have something for heparin?
No, we cannot monitor heparin like that. I think only warfarin has INR. Even if we are giving rivaroxaban or other kind of these treatments,
Oral
we
ones.
cannot monitor.
Oh, okay.
I think one thing we for heparin we can see. I need to confirm one thing. We can check, but usually we don't check. We don't
Yes,
monitor.
I think Aisha